Welcome everyone. Today I'll be solving question number 14 of the 2022 GATE Biotechnology paper. This is a match the following question and it has column 1 and column 2. Column 1 has media component and column 2 has its role. Column 1 consists of sucrose, zinc chloride, ammonium sulfate and silicon oil, and column 2 has their roles, which are anti-foaming agent, nitrogen source, carbon source and trace elements. So you have to connect the correct compound with its role. So let's see which compound does what. So sucrose is a easy guess. It's a carbohydrate and it is used as a carbon source. Ammonium sulfate, because of the presence of NH4 ion in it, will act as a source of nitrogen for the cell. Zinc chloride, because of the presence of zinc in it, will act as a source of trace element, which is zinc for the cell. And finally, silicon oil will act as an anti-foaming agent. So when the media is agitated, what happens is that air bubbles that are present in the media, they form foam at the top of the media. And this is a major problem because there is a loss of culture fluid because it's getting converted into foam and a loss of cells. It causes an acceleration in cell lysis. And when these bubbles burst, it might cause environmental contamination. And it also restricts the transfer of oxygen from the headspace to the media itself. So to prevent that, anti-foaming agent like silicon oil is added, which are less viscous and they spread over the foamy surface and they destabilize these bubbles which are formed and cause them to break and cause the foam not to form as much as it would have without the presence of this anti-foaming agent like silicon oil. So the correct answer in this case would be option number D, which is P3Q4R2 and S1. P, that is sucrose, is a carbon source, right? Q, which is zinc chloride, is a trace element. R, which is ammonium sulfate, is a nitrogen source. And S, which is silicon oil, is an anti-foaming agent. So the correct answer in this case would be D. That is all for this question. I hope that was easy for you to understand. Thank you so much for listening.